Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by launching Ibis Paint X and immediately creating a canvas so you can work. Choose a resolution and DPI that match your final use. The higher the DPI, the cleaner prints will be. Then pick aspect ratio and canvas size. Once done, set layers to a sensible starting number and enable background transparency if you need PNG exports. Make sure brushes and stabilizers are visible in the toolbar so you can test strokes right away. This gets you into drawing without delay. Next, focus on tools and workflow so your art flows. Set up custom brushes by tweaking size, opacity, and edge hardness. Enable stabilizer for smooth lines and pressure settings for your stylus. Organize work using layers. Create groups, apply blending modes, and use clipping masks to limit edits to one area. Practice gestures, two-finger undo and pinch to zoom, to speed work. Also name key layers and lock transparent pixels. This prevents accidental edits and makes detailed shading. Finish by exporting and preserving your work correctly. Export to PNG for transparent images, PSD to keep layers when moving to desktop, or MP4 for time-lapses. Verify resolution and color profile before saving. If you need to finalize, duplicate and flatten a copy so originals remain intact. And if performance problems appear, make sure to close other apps, reduce canvas DPI, or merge non-essential layers. If brushes behave oddly, reset tool settings or reinstall the app as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.